Here today, we're at Louisville High School, and we're doing a drive-through with the Dallas Children's Charities, Love for Kids, and Huffines, and Hunger Busters. Tell us a little bit about what Hunger Busters does.
What we do is our mission is feeding kids and fueling futures. So when things were normal, we were in 11 schools and 6 after-school programs, and we provided the much-needed third meal of the day. Since times have gotten crazy, pretty much what we've done is we've gone from feeding children to feeding the entire family. So we just have a healthy food box that we want to give to every family and wish everybody a happy holiday.
We're here at Louisville High School giving away toys from the Dallas Children's Charities. Roy, tell us a little bit about what Dallas Children's Charities have been doing for years.
First of all, we're happy to be out here. Thank you guys so much for having us. So glad we could be a part of this. Have been a part of it for at least the last 40 years. And what Dallas Children's Charities does is we throw one of the biggest black tie charity balls, charity galas in the nation. And we usually have anywhere from 10 to 12,000 people that attend that each year. The admission is a toy. And so we ask each guest to bring a toy to donate. And we take those toys and then we give them out at events such as this so that we can make a kid's Christmas very special. A lot of them, this is the only toy that they receive for Christmas, and we want to make sure it's a good toy, it's a big toy, and it's something that will give them a special Christmas.
I have with me Miss Temple, who is Miss Plano. Can you tell us a little bit about what you guys do?
Absolutely. So my name is Landry Champlin and I'm Miss Plano 2021. And we are title holders from the Miss Texas organization. So we're just here today to spread a little bit of holiday cheer and to tell everybody Merry Christmas.